The DeLonghi Home presents heating. Winter is here. And the Watsons are cold. DeLonghi heaters are ideal for heating the home. DeLonghi panel heaters have a double fan system, which results in superior air distribution, providing even and steady heat. DeLonghi oil column heaters have an extra large radiant heat surface. The exclusive chimney design increases airflow and heat distribution, resulting in fast heat up times and retaining room temperature for longer periods. DeLonghi ceramic heaters are ideal for smaller areas. They heat up quickly and are safe and efficient, providing fast spot heating. DeLonghi fan heaters are ideal for the bathroom and other small areas. They feature IP21 drip protection that guarantees safety against water drops and condensation. DeLonghi heaters provide a heating solution for every room. The Watsons are warm and cozy this winter.